Hi guys, today I'm showing you how I make my favorite sauce for roast potatoes. First thing is to fry some marinated chicken in oil, and then when it's cooked I take that out, and then the next thing I will do is to add some onion to the oil, fry some garlic and onion together, add a little bit of salt to just bring out the flavors of the onion. The next thing is to add mushrooms and chopped up bell peppers. You can use any vegetable that you want. Really, I prefer using mushrooms because they have this very nice umami taste. Next is to add 2 tablespoons of ketchup. You can also use tomato paste if you prefer, and 3 tablespoons of sweet chili sauce. At some point it gets to this very nice consistency and looks really great and tastes great, and then I add a little bit of garlic, a little bit of curry, and a bit more salt to taste. For my chicken, I marinated it with salt, pepper, garlic, some seasoning cube, and just left it to sit for like 30 minutes. And that's all, your sauce is ready. You can choose to add the flour with water to make it a bit creamier, but you can also skip that step if you don't want to. But I like to do this to give my sauce a bit more thickening and consistency. And yeah, your sauce is ready to enjoy with rice or potatoes. I hope you try this recipe and that you like it. Thank you for watching.